This is Paparazzi Henry for PopTV.com. Annette Bening and David Arquette opening a play. Their spouses were there, of course, Warren Beatty and Courtney Cox, as well as Rosanna Arquette and Kirk Douglas. That's it. Have fun. Hello, Susan.
Hi.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
How's the show going?
It's going great.
This is your same pad, it's easier.
Oh, thank you. We're Dancing with the Stars.
Yeah. Look at that.
Everyone loves you on Dancing with the Stars.
Oh, thank you so much. It was so much fun.
What do you think about all the Michael Jackson drama going on right now?
What's going on? Oh, did he turn himself in? Was he... Did they do that today?
They charged him with manslaughter.
They did. Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Jeff, are you going?
Jeff, I'm right here. Thank you very much.
Keep up the great work, Susan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sorry, Henry.
7.
How you doing, Mr.
Spartacus album here.
Mr. Douglas, on top, please. Thank you, Mr. Douglas.
Sorry, we need to formalize some of these.
Mr. Douglas, on top, please. Right above.
Right underneath you, sir.
Mr. Douglas, right here, please. Mr. Douglas, can you get the cartoon shot? Mr. Douglas, right above, please. Mr. Douglas, right here, please. Is he done? Knock him over. Mr. Douglas.
Gentlemen, do not push. Guys, do not push.
This way, sir. We're coming right to you, buddy.
Back. I'm here.
Right this way, bro. Mr. Douglas,
Mr. Douglas, can I just get a picture of you, Mr. Douglas?
Could you sign one, Mr. Douglas? Mr. Douglas, please. Mr. Douglas, please.
Mr. Douglas, can I get a picture of you really quick?
All right, guys, you gotta back up.
That's it.
Mr. Douglas, do the paper. Mr. Douglas, right here, please.
Mr. Douglas, the Spartacus album.
Mr. Douglas, please.
That's it. That's it. That's it, guys. Watch your hand, watch your hand. Watch your hand.
Please, Mr. Douglas. Please, Mr. Last one, Mr. Douglas.
Guys, that's it.
Mr. Douglas, please, the last one, the piece of paper.
Thank you,
Mr.
that's it.
Douglas, please.
That's it. Watch
Mr.
your
Douglas,
hand. Watch your hand.
the last one, please, Mr.
Watch your
Douglas.
hand.
Guys, watch. Come back. Watch that mirror.
Thank you.
Johnny. Johnny.
Thank you very much.
Good luck with the play, Julian.
It's on this one, maybe later.
Ryan.
John, what are you doing? Thank you. It is small, my God. I have got a very generous signature. Okay.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
There we go.
One more.
Sure.
Congratulations. Hope you have a lot of fun and play.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's what I do.
Thank you.
How was the play, Rosanna?
Fabulous.
It was great.
Rosanna, right here, please.
How are ya?
Especially my
Yes, I'm sure.
No, but everybody was amazing. Everybody. I never.
Rosanna, could you get this photo right
Great
here?
actors.
Rosanna, right here.
Rosanna, can you get that on the bottom? I think I better. I got her. And it didn't come out. The worst signature.
Oh, sorry.
You guys.
This one right here, Rosanna. Oh, I'm sorry.
Maybe south. Want your hand? And the eyes are closed. Maybe I'll give up. Maybe I'll give up.
Okay, I can't. Okay, that's enough.
Thank you very much, Rosanna. Rosanna, my pen right here behind you. Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck with the play. And
Guys, go easy. Go easy.
Valentine's Day.
Can you please use this marker if you don't mind? I'll take this.
Any plans for
Can you please use this
Valentine's Day?
right here? Can you please use this marker, please?
Do you have anything lined up for Jeanette on Valentine's Day?
Can you please use this?
Any plans for Valentine's Day?
Could you sign this right here? Thank you, sir.
Jeanette, any plans for Valentine's Day? Any plans for Warren on Valentine's Day? Sorry, it's all good. Sorry about that. Sorry to be the jerk. Love you. You're good. What's happening? Let's get out Okay. I got ours.
I wasn't here earlier, I promise. Just one. Thank you. Yeah, I know.
Courtney, to Brian, please. Courtney, I asked you earlier. Please, Courtney.
Next time, no.
Thank you. Bye.
I'm not from here. I'm from San Francisco. That's okay.
All right, you're the only one?
Yes, thank you.
This is my first one with you?
Yes,
Why do I
ma'am.
not
Thank
do
you.
Is David wonderful in the play, Courtney?
Oops.
Yeah.
It works.
Ryan?
Watch behind you.
Perfect. Thank you.
You gotta get out of the street. You gotta get out of the street.
Oh, I'm sorry. First, the new Scream, man.
We never died,
I know.
Right.
It's like,
We need it. Are you gonna be in it?
Deputy Dewey Horn.
All right, guys, y'all are sending me the same pictures. It's like
David, can I
I'm
get a
going
quick
through
photo?
like.
David, can I get that quick picture?
If somebody really didn't get one, I'll
I just have the
You didn't?
invitation. No.
Come on.
No, you didn't like. You didn't like the other one I had. I had the one you didn't like.
No, he did.
Thanks, dude. No, I did.
Oh, you did? Okay, thank you.
I think we both
Thanks,
did.
guys. Okay, I don't mind. Okay, thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
How much
Dave,
are
can I get a
Can I get that quick picture with you, David?
Johnny,
who's pen?
mine. Sorry.
Thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Beth? David, one more picture. Yeah. Of course.
David, can I get one too?
Yeah, of course. Read my photo. No more. Come on, I already did one for you. Come on, guys. Sorry.
For Haiti.
Ferris Bueller.
Oh wow, look at that. Woman thing. What do you want to put on there?
Just for now. I don't know. I don't remember. I remember.
And you can use the same pen for everybody else.
How come you have these ones?
I can't.
We give Cameron a rest. We let these young guys again.
Where's our camera?
The camera's all over the place.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Can I get one too?
Sure.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Can I get one? Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much.
Bye, guys.